te aroha te mea nui, ko te aroha te mea pai. Kaore e puhaihai, kaore e whakaiti. Kia mau ki te aroha. Kia ora e te iwi. As we approach our first weekend at Level 3, we want to mihi to you for abiding by Level 3 measures and keeping our whānau safe. Your actions have helped stop the spread. We heard today that 85% of total cases are recovered and the number of new cases is declining. Ka rawe, let us remain vigilant and hopeful for the future. We also want to acknowledge that this week, Saturday, the 2nd of May, will mark 162 years of the Kingitanga movement, a unifying force that has provided a beacon of hope for generations to this day.
Ka tika. Whānau, we want to acknowledge that for many whānau, this has been a difficult time where we've had to adapt our approach to tangihanga during the Taratahi lockdown. At Alert Level 3, tangihanga can now include up to 10 whānau pani. However, the request is that we refrain from holding tangihanga until a later date when alert levels drop and when we can reassess the safety measures. Whānau, this is in light of the words of our King to protect our whakapapa. This weekend, we are launching a tangihanga guideline booklet that aligns to the Alert Level 3 restrictions and with the mahi of Ngā Marae Tōpū who have been leading this. We've been talking to DHB's funeral directors to get a good steer on what we can do as whānau in these trying times.
Whānau, we want to mihi to you for adhering to the rāhui. The kaupapa, not the person. Eira. A reminder that our King placed the rāhui on the awa to protect the mauri of the awa and ensure that our awa has an opportunity to rejuvenate. Nā te kōrero o te kini, our rivers and waterways are a source of spiritual uplifting. During these trying times, they need to rejuvenate as well. The rāhui also serves to protect people. The community have been very supportive of the approach, and Marae have also reported that they have seen a reduction in pollution. The water is clearer and plant and animal life appears to be stronger. That is so awesome, whānau. This week, for example, we heard that Tauranga Nui Marae at the Puaha Waikato saw large clusters of mullet in the awa. Long may this continue. So we want to mihi to our kaumātua and to the iwi for looking after the awa and our whānau at this time.
Now back to rāhui, the tangata and not the kaupapa. I want to talk a little bit about business. As businesses are able to operate under Alert Level 3 conditions, we encourage our whānau to shop and support local businesses where you can. We have a tribal business directory, the Puna Pakihi, which lists products and services that are owned by tribal members. Tautoko mea whānau. We've also been working with our district councils and have agreed that the first phase of projects so that we can create employment opportunities for our whānau. So make sure you're signing up to our Te Raumahi portal if you're looking for mahi. You can find this information through our Araitia website at waikatotainui.com or the Waikato Tainui Facebook page. Also, whānau, today the government announced a whopping cash flow support scheme for small businesses. Interest-free loans will be available to businesses with 50 staff or less, with the scheme providing $10,000 to every firm and $1,800 per full-time staff member. If you want more information on this or support with an application for your business, get in touch with our business support team by emailing enterprise@tainui.co.nz.
Awesome. Whānau, we know that it's not just the adults, the Pākeke that are working hard. We want to mihi to all our tamariki and rangatahi who are learning from home. We're really proud of the way you've managed to adapt while you've been learning and working from home and working hard. And I mean, I know with my two boys, my two tamariki, it has been difficult at times, but I'm really encouraged that by what you're doing, by what we're all doing together to make this time count for our tamariki. So, ka mihi aroha kia koutou. As the iwi, we've also been finding strategic opportunities for you to continue to learn and train for the future of work. So we'll keep you posted on those opportunities in due course. We've also launched a new website to support you at this time called Te Maiti Akona. And so this is now available on our Waikato Tainui website. And here you'll find lots of useful links and websites from the Kia Manawarua Ministry of Education page. So I encourage you to check those out and continue to keep up the good mahi whānau.
For mātauranga to hauora. Whānau hauora is important, and we've seen all your videos and pics out and about in your mirumiru. We want to ensure supporting our whānau from te kōpū o te whaia ki te kōpū o te whenua, from our pepe to our pakeke and our kaumātua. And so we're asking you to check in with your whānau. Just keep in touch. Give them a call. Make sure they're okay. Don't forget, you can call or text 1737 to kōrero with a trained counsellor. They're available day and night, and texts and calls are absolutely free. Whānau, another reminder that it's important that if you're feeling mawiri or you feel like you might have COVID, there are testing stations throughout the Waikato and Tāmaki. A list of these are below and on our Araitia webpage at waikatotainui.com, as well as our Facebook page. Please, whānau, don't be whakamau. Our hauora is paramount. So get along and get tested.
Awesome. From hauora to kai. Whānau, we still have kai distribution points across the rohe next week, which are a mixture, as you know, of marae-based distributions and mahitahi with councils and communities. So check out the hub nearest you, and you can find those details on our Facebook page. So far, we've had over 4,000 kai packs delivered to whānau, and that's been with the support of marae and community partners. Ka rawe. If you're unsure of how to access these kai packs, please give the team a call on 0800 Tainui. That's 0800 824 624.
And from Kai, and I'm not talking about Maki Tānara or KFC. Look, whānau, people have been TikToking around the country. And whānau, it's that time again. We want to mihi to everyone who is sharing what they are doing in the Tainui Taratahi Challenge. So, it's Ruku's time to do the drum roll. Oh my gosh. Ngā mihi nui kia taumata tūmai from Maurea.
Awesome.
She made a TikTok, and we're all reveling in the beauty of the TikTok tanga, I think they're calling it these days. So, e te tamahine, taumata, your voucher is coming your way.
You can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention.
Whānau, if you want to be in to win next week, share your video with the hashtag Tainui Taratahi to our Waikato Tainui Facebook page. And whānau, once again, we remind you, stay home. Stay in your bubble and keep your mirumiru tight.
Awesome. TikTok tanga, I love it. And I promise you, before this is over, we will see Rahui the tangata do a TikTok tanga. Whānau, if there's anything you're unsure of and you're not sure where to go, please give us a call. We're here to support you. As you've heard, call 0800 Tainui, or you can email awhina@tainui.co.nz. Amo hia ake te ora o te iwi ka puta ki te whai au.
To protect the well-being of the people is paramount, and together We will get through this. Pai mai.
Ai mai, Riri.